An object thrown straight up with an initial velocity v naught. The graph represents the object's vertical displacement as a function of time. So we're throwing this straight up. Use the graph for these questions. Number 6, what's the total flying time of the object? Well, that's easy. We can look at the graph and say, okay, the total flying time would be a total of 8 seconds. At what time does the object reach its maximum height? Well, we know that when you're throwing something up, the time up has to equal the time down. So half of that would be when it reaches its maximum height. And number 8, what's the initial velocity of the object? So we're looking at some sort of equation that deals with velocity and time, which would be our first kinematic equation. But when we're throwing something straight up in the air, our acceleration is not A, it would be gt. And our initial velocity is 0, so velocity equals 10 times a total time of 8 seconds, 80 meters per second.